We all struggle with insecurities that we believe hold us back. We live in an era where we are hyper-aware of our appearance and the role it plays in our lives. This is amplified by apps like Instagram and TikTok, where an endless display of beautiful people is showcased. And as many studies have shown, the halo effect, the benefits of being attractive, becomes more evident. In this video, we will address the most common insecurities men have about their appearance. Let's get started. Height. Height is one of the most common sources of insecurity among men. Interestingly, the men who are most insecure about their height are usually those with an average height of 170 centimeters shorter. Shorter men often learn to accept their height early in life, but average height men are close to the 180 centimeter threshold, which can lead to significant insecurities. Here are 3 ways to deal with your height insecurity. Wear heeled shoes. This is a practical solution for those who feel more confident with a bit of extra height. Heeled shoes can add up to 5 centimeters to your height, allowing you to feel taller without others noticing. Build muscle. Height is attractive because it helps you appear strong and masculine. You can achieve the same effect by building some muscle. If you can't be taller, broaden out. Accept it. Embrace your height and realize that if you think it significantly affects your dating prospects, 170 centimeters, you are still taller than 90% of women. And statistically, it's not a major issue. Jawline. A defined jawline is one of the most attractive and masculine features a man can have. If you feel insecure about your jawline, try these methods. Reduce body fat. Adjust your diet and start tracking calories. Add a workout routine and some cardio, and give yourself 3 to 6 months of consistent effort to see results. Beneath excessive body fat might lie a great jawline and facial structure. Grow a beard. If you don't have a naturally strong jawline, growing a beard is your best bet. A full beard is ideal, but something like a disconnected goatee can also be used to highlight a weaker chin. Practice meawing. Using the correct tongue posture can help shape your face to naturally create a more defined jawline. Some swear by it, while others claim it doesn't work. Use your own judgment. Receding hairline. If your hair is thinning, either shave it off, find a suitable hairstyle, or start a hair loss prevention treatment. This includes medications like minoxidil and finasteride, which you need to use for life and which can have serious side effects for some people. Hair transplantation is also always an option. If your hair isn't thinning but just looks bad, you're probably not taking care of it properly. Here are some things to check. Are you shampooing too often? Try going a few days to a week without shampoo. And note the day your hair gets greasy. If it gets greasy on the 4th day, shampoo every 3 days and adjust accordingly. Are you using the right products for your hair type? Are your current shampoo and conditioner benefiting your hair or harming it? If you don't know the answers to these questions, watch our best hair care routine video. Lastly, learn how to style your hair. If it's flat and lifeless, use sea salt spray. If it's frizzy, poofy, and unmanageable, use argan oil to tame it. Bad skin. Healthy, clear skin is a universal sign of attractiveness. If your skin isn't in its best condition, follow these steps. Adjust your expectations. Normal skin has some texture and imperfections. The glass-like skin you see online is often a mix of filters, lighting, and skincare tricks, like applying a bit of Vaseline to make the face look smooth and glowy. Develop a skincare routine. This should include cleansing, moisturizing, and applying sunscreen daily. For specific issues like acne or dryness, use products with salicylic acid or hyaluronic acid. Eat healthily. What you put into your body is reflected in your skin. Drinking plenty of water and eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats will improve your skin's appearance. Bad teeth. If you feel insecure about your teeth, there are steps you can take to improve their appearance. If your teeth are yellow, the most cost-effective way is to use Crest White strips. If your teeth are crooked or have gaps, I highly recommend getting Invisalign. There is a very simple way to have great teeth, but the biggest hurdle, of course, is the cost. And that's it. These are the 5 most common insecurities I see in men. I hope this video has been helpful and that you found some solutions. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more content.